Have you ever wished there was a way to export clips from the timeline as individual files? Maybe your client wants color-graded shots, maybe you have hours of drone footage but only a few moments are actually usable and you want to save them separately to be able to free up your disk space? It's a problem I've been facing for years and I had a few workarounds that I've shared with the community over the years, but all of them had some cons, some disadvantages. So finally we've solved it with a plugin that will make it so easy that adding a marker to a timeline will feel complicated. Yeah, maybe I'm exaggerating a little bit, but just a bit. With my Essential Motion pack, I made it easier to apply motion effects to the timeline. And so far, the pack has been used by over 100,000 editors across the globe, which is insane. But now Clip Exporter is the first in the series of plugins that will streamline your editing workflow even more. Once you install the plugin, you open it by going to Window, Extensions, and choosing it from the list. And first you have to choose any custom exporting preset. If you don't have any alongside the plugin file, there is a video that will walk you through the process of creating one, or you can get them as part of the Ultimate Presets pack. Next, you customize the naming of the output files. The name will be created based on the sequence name, followed by a suffix you specify here, and by a consecutive number. After choosing an output folder, you select a track that is supposed to be used for in and out points. Let me explain it on 3 examples. In the first one, all of the clips are on the same track, so it just exports all of the clips as we see them on the timeline. It's as simple as it gets. But in this example, we want to export only B-roll clips from V2. So when we choose track number 2, in and out points will be created only from that track. But let's say that the B-roll is cropped a little bit and we can see the background from clips on the first track. In this case, the final result will depend on what we select here. If you activate the only selected track option, all other video tracks will be automatically muted, so that only what's on the selected track will be visible in the exported files. So the background from the first track will not be used in the export. But if you choose no, then while the in and out points will be created on the selected track, all of the clips in that in-out range will be visible in the final render. And lastly, if you select yes over here, the media encoder queue will start automatically. And if you select no, then you can start it yourself, maybe once you're done with editing for the day. Now all you have to do is click on the run icon, and that's it. Clip Exporter will not only save you time, but will also allow you to select any custom exporting preset. It's a super useful plugin, I'm so proud of it. Go and get it now to have a peace of mind that all of your selected clips are exported and ready to reuse, re-access in the future. Or maybe you're like,
Peter, since when you're coding?
Well, I'm not. I'm collaborating on this with Mark, a good friend of mine. We have more ideas for great Premiere Pro plugins. So when you buy Clip Exporter, you also support and encourage us to create more useful tools for you and the editing community. Have a good one, and till the next time.